1966 Triumph TR4A. Price: $15,750. Location: Nevada, USA. The 1966 Triumph TR4A is a stunning example of British automotive craftsmanship that continues to captivate classic car enthusiasts around the world. Finished in the legendary British racing green and paired with a sophisticated black interior, this iconic roadster embodies everything enthusiasts love about vintage sports cars. More than just transportation, the TR4A represents an era when driving was a true adventure. The first thing that grabs your attention is its timeless design. The elegant body lines, gleaming chrome bumpers, distinctive front grille, and beautiful 15-inch wire wheels create a look that remains instantly recognizable even decades after it first rolled out of the factory. Whether parked at a classic car show or cruising down a scenic highway, this Triumph commands attention from everyone who sees it. The heart of this classic machine is a spirited inline four-cylinder engine equipped with dual SU carburetors. Paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission, the TR4A delivers an engaging driving experience that modern vehicles often struggle to replicate. Every gear change feels mechanical and rewarding, while the dual exhaust system produces a satisfying vintage soundtrack that reminds you why classic sports cars remain so special. The cabin perfectly blends comfort and classic British charm. Bucket seats provide a comfortable driving position, while the beautiful wooden dashboard and 3-spoke wood steering wheel create an atmosphere of sophistication. The Jaeger instrumentation and Lucas ammeter gauge showcase the authentic details that collectors appreciate. Sitting behind the wheel feels like stepping back into the golden age of motoring. The black convertible soft top allows drivers to enjoy open-air cruising whenever the weather is perfect. Imagine driving through winding mountain roads or along scenic desert highways with the top down, feeling the wind and hearing the engine sing. It's an experience that modern luxury cars, despite all their technology, simply cannot duplicate. The Triumph TR4A also comes equipped with front disc brakes, manual windows, sun visors, a full-size spare tire, and an owner's manual. These features not only add practicality but also enhance the vehicle's authenticity and collectability. Every component reflects the engineering philosophy of an era focused on simplicity, reliability, and driving enjoyment. The mechanical condition of this TR4A makes it especially attractive for enthusiasts looking for a classic car that can be enjoyed immediately. Rather than becoming a long-term restoration project, this roadster is ready for weekend drives, classic car gatherings, and memorable road trips. Its combination of style, performance, and historical significance makes it a standout in the world of vintage sports cars.